Uh-uh-uh-uh. Sir, yes, sir, man. It's your boy back with another video. Dude, we got some work today. We got some work today. We got some work today, man. So, going back to school today, man. Show y'all what time it is, man. All I can tell you is, man, a lot of people ain't paying attention when they driving these trucks, hooking to these trailers, and a lot of times they're probably, you know what I'm saying, dragging the trailer with the dolly legs down. You know what I'm saying? Because this is the only way this can happen. So, man, we got two things up for tonight, man. We'll walk y'all through and let y'all hang out with me what I'm doing tonight. Number one, we got another situation. So we got to put another reinforcement dolly leg bar on. Also, see this L bracket here that's been welded? We're going to have to heat this up, and we're going to have to bend it out. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do to either cut this off, torch this bolt off so I can have access to all this, or go ahead and get it hot and see if I can I have something to bend this a little bit to get the bolt and this off. So that's gonna be a challenge itself. I also have to, y'all see how the dolly leg it's got a little slant. You know what I'm saying? I gotta straighten that out, and also we gotta bolt that up with the new bar, weld that. You know what I'm saying? And also, we got something else online, man. I gotta do, which I'm gonna show y'all in 1 second. Thing I gotta do, man. We gotta put new S-cam bushings on, which we were talking about S-cam bushes. If y'all follow me on the channel, for the last 2 days, I've been explaining. Oh man, y'all see it cut my hand kind of bad right there, huh? But it's all good. I've been explaining what the S-cam is on the brakes and all that type of stuff. So if y'all been paying attention, man, drop something in the comments, man. If y'all just put I'm here, tap in, I've been to school, you know what I'm saying? Or I've been watching you. Drop me something in the comments and let me know y'all been paying attention on some of the jewels I've been kicking y'all with, man, because I had to pay for this knowledge. And some of this stuff I'm giving away free game. So I got to change both outer side S-cam bushings. There's a lot of free play in them. I'm getting ready to take you underneath the trailer, and this is on the trailer, and let y'all check it out. Give me 1 second. As you see right there, that is your outer S-cam bushings. You do gotta, oh, you do gotta remove the tires. This is your inner S-cam bushing. That's your outer. So I'm gonna let y'all check it out, man. Y'all can actually see when you're doing the inspection on there. You got a lot of play. Probably gonna have to jack it up to see the play in it. Sometimes you can go back and forth and wiggle it. Let's see if we can do it with this one. No, we're gonna have to jack it up. So we're gonna have to jack it up. And once I jack it up in the air to get, can't see. There you go. See the outer and the inner and the outer. So once I jack this thing up, man, and get it off the ground, we can see the play in it. And also, you can tell also when they're bad, they don't allow you to put grease inside of them. They do need to get greased. And next, man, I got to see which one I'm going to do first. Am I going to deal with the tires first and do the S-cam bushing, or am I going to play with the torch to get it straightened out and welding? So I'm probably going to do that first, because I don't want to be all greasy and oily trying to clean up the weld and you know what I'm saying, clean up everything. So we're going to do the welding first. We're going to do this next. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Drop something in the comments, man. And it looks like also the brakes need to get adjusted too. You guys see that gap in between there? So that's another thing too, that it doesn't allow you to adjust the brakes right. You see that gap right there? It's not supposed to be that big in the rear brakes, you know what I'm saying? So we're also going to tackle that and look at that also You know what I'm saying? And see what we do right there, like a quick brake adjustment. You can tell the shoes are fairly new. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get to it, man. I don't see any bad shocks. I always like to check that. Make sure we don't have any leaky shocks, which is a common issue on trailers. Bad shocks. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get to it, man. And I'm not gonna do like I did last time. So last time I was showing you guys some welding, had my phone down, and then kind of burnt my protection screen. So we're not gonna do that. But I am going to show you a before and after. But y'all stay tuned, man. Like, share, subscribe. And y'all see this, that's actually the slack adjuster right there. See slack adjuster bushing inner and outer. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. And look, man, come holler at your boy sometime, man. Drop something in the comments. Share the videos with your people. I know everybody got somebody that drives semi trucks and trailers, man. You can actually learn a lot from me. You can also DM me and ask me questions, man, and I can help you kind of walk through this stuff, man, and you will get some free games. So, like, share, subscribe, man. Let's get it. See all that leg straight now? You know what I'm saying? And we got it on the ground. Yes, sir.